My name is George Hage, live in Raleigh, North Carolina. Always had an affinity for art, kind of at a young age, found comic books. Eventually started playing guitar, and then the love of the artwork kind of crossed over into music, seeing album covers and rock posters. And I think that really inspired me to start creating artwork for my own bands. And then that kind of led to creating artwork for other bands and music festivals. And it's been snowballing over the years, and it's been awesome. Yeah, I think one of the things that's kept me here is just seeing the city grow. And in the past 8 years, just music festivals popping up. Being able to see Hopscotch Music Festival grow and continue year to year. And then things like IBMA coming to town as a musician and artist, that's super exciting. Have been fortunate enough to play with some of the other bands around the area and keep doing my own bands. I've been doing Jack the Radio for the past few years, and that coincided with all the new Reveille music as well. But new Reveille's really picked up a lot of momentum recently, so putting a lot of focus into that. Being in Raleigh, it's a small town vibe in that sense, but it's still a big city. There's so much stuff I haven't discovered yet. Very lucky to have School Kids Records right down the road. Additionally, microbreweries, love to try new beers, and then a bunch of restaurants. Mofu, the food there is awesome. I think for anybody coming to Raleigh for the first time, you'll be pleasantly surprised at what you find. If it's food, if it's music, if it's art, you're gonna find some unique things that you're not gonna find everywhere.